So about a week ago, I uploaded a video about how the UK will act as a de facto customs agent on behalf of Northern Ireland and GP companies following the end of the transition period. Well, due to the fact that this wasn't very well thought out, it's now facing legal challenges. A number of trade bodies have gone so far as to threaten legal action against the government's new post-Brexit customs system. They are saying that it would unfairly distort competition. Industry groups met with Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs Expert Group and said that the new Trader Help Desk, which will enable the government to act effectively as a customs officer on behalf of traders, would damage the companies which themselves provide customs brokerage services. As I said last week, our good friend Michael Gove announced that the new system would be free at the point of use and operational from September, with the aim of protecting trade flows across the Irish Sea when the UK leaves the EU Single Market and Customs Union. Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs has said that the system would not only help businesses with paperwork for transferring goods to Northern Ireland from the rest of the UK, but it would also assist them with paperwork for the rest of the world. The estimated cost is £355 million for the Treasury. A business group suggested that the Attorney General should be involved and should provide an opinion on the legality of the new system. Now, Peter McSweeney, who is the chairman of the Joint Customs Advisory Group, said, and I quote, "The Northern Ireland brokerage community is not happy to lose all of their clients to a free government service." Another body, the British International Freight Association, has also told Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs that its members were furious that they would not be compensated for the provision of customs services. At the same time, another industry raised what they saw as concerns over security of commercially sensitive data submitted between customs and private contractors. Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs defended the system by saying that it would provide unprecedented support to all companies that are starting out this new process as part of the Northern Ireland Protocol. It went on to say that it would conduct a transparent and open procurement process to identify the bidder capable of providing it and will ensure a service that is fully compliant with the law. HMRC said they are actively working with stakeholders as part of this process. This is interesting because Boris Johnson visited Belfast recently, and while he was there he met with Arlene Foster, the First Minister, and attempted to allay fears over unfettered access to Great Britain for products from Northern Ireland. Of course, this flies in the face of what is actually going down in reality. Northern Ireland trade will be separated from Great Britain by the Irish Sea. For the first time in UK history, some goods moving from one part of the UK will need customs declarations in order to arrive in another part of the country. The money spent to support Northern Irish businesses is to get Boris Johnson out of a fix. He can't undo the damage he has done to the Union when it comes to Northern Ireland. So the next best thing is to be seen to help, or at least seem to be helping, to keep trade as close as possible to the status quo. This trick will work for a while, but it will eventually implode. The problem also is that taxpayers in the rest of the UK are paying for this. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. As always, your comments are greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot. Why not become a Patreon and enjoy access to our Discord server where we share news, chat, and have some fun. If you become a patron, you can also make video suggestions on topics that are important to you. Check it out via the link in the description.